Smart manufacturing is rapidly shifting from cloud-based AI to on-site edge computing. Traditional industrial panel PCs face obvious drawbacks. Legacy Core i5 models rely entirely on cloud servers for visual inspection, causing latency issues and offline downtime. Intel entry-level N95 devices lack sufficient power for multi-camera detection and complex MES tasks. To solve these industry pain points, Taicenn has launched the brand new Intel Ultra 5125U industrial panel PC, featuring built-in NPU Edge AI, upgraded performance and industrial ruggedness for modern smart factory applications. With native Edge AI capability, Taicenn Ultra 5125U panel PC perfectly fits automotive inspection, photovoltaic monitoring, pharmaceutical workshops, and smart warehousing. This new rugged touch panel PC series is designed with abundant I/O interfaces, 2 expansion slots, auto-detected DC December 19, 24V input. Moving forward, NPU-embedded rugged HMI panel PC will become the mainstream standard for high-end smart factories. Taicenn supports fast sample delivery, flexible bare-bone solutions, and customized services for global system integrators and industrial OEMs.